Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have come to show you the best 12 gadgets for the new year for you. If you like your product you can buy it directly, I will give the link in the description. 1. KZZSN Pro X in-ear earphones hybrid technology. KZZSN Pro X. Sound field and sense of hearing are comprehensively improved. Great design that can help you develop your personality. 4 new upgrades as always: professional, configuration upgrade, sound quality upgrade, cable upgrade, appearance upgrade. HD condenser microphone, compatible with most mainstream headphones on the market. Acoustic black technology reshape the magnetic gap, redefine 10mm dual magnetic dynamic. Standard configuration. Popular with hi-fi players, 100-core high-purity silver-plated cable. Professional acoustic team intensively researched and tuned, show the inherent rich analytical power of hybrid technology configuration. Brand new bright color, shining zinc alloy, the texture is much better than headphones of the same price. Ergonomics and comfortable wearing, effective isolation of external noise. Change Bluetooth module, switch to Bluetooth earphones, 0.75mm standard gold-plated pin. 2. Rechargeable Healthy Smart Cup H2 water bottle. This product uses the spin quantum low-frequency resonance principle, changes the water molecule link structure, changes the blood viscosity in 20 minutes, increases energy in daily drinking water, improves the human body environment. Cells can be antibacterial, antivirus, antifungal, inhibits cell mutation. 10 kinds of health benefits. 1. Improving the metabolic cycle of the human body. 2. Reducing blood viscosity. 3. Helps the body's natural detoxification process, supporting a healthy intestinal flora. 4. Assists the body in balancing pH levels. 5. Strengthening the detoxification function of the human body. 6. Increase the oxygen content of cells. 7. Enhance the immunity of the human body. 8. Supports powerful antioxidant effect. 9. Promotes youthful skin by assisting natural skin hydration and collagen production. 10. Helps in neutralizing free radicals. Hydrogen water generator. Hydrogen-rich water is called water of life, postpone aging, detoxify and nourish the face. Benefits for drinking hydrogen-rich water. 1. Improve cellular health and enhance better nutrient absorption in the body, used for washing face, easily absorbed to maintain the skin. 2. Improvement of blood glucose and HA1C levels in diabetes mellitus. 3. Better hydration for your body, increased blood circulation. Hydrogen-rich water is beneficial to reduce blood viscosity, improve microcirculation, and increase the elasticity of blood vessels. 4. Help to lower saturated fat levels. 5. Reduce aging to give healthy-looking skin. 6. Improve memory in aged individuals, reduce constipation problems. 7. Aids in lowering cholesterol levels. 8. Detoxifies your body, improves the quality of life of cancer patients on chemotherapy and radiotherapy. 9. Scavenging excess free radicals in human cells. 10. Improve sleep. Product list. 1. Hydrogen plus radio generator. 2. USB charging cable. 3. User manual. 4. Spare glass. 3. Laser tree module. Laser tree module. The blue laser module is designed for CNC mill. With 450 nanometers wavelength, it is an effective tool for laser engraving and laser cutting. They can engrave and cut a variety of materials. Features: blue laser module, professional laser head with high speed and high stability. Bright blue violet light, easy for locating when engraving. Adjustable focus, adjustable laser head, easy to adjust, ensure engraving with good quality and high efficiency. Easy to assemble, small and compact. Engraving material: MDF, black acrylic, stainless steel, plywood, leather, alumina, and others. Cutting material: plywood, leather, bamboo, alumina, black acrylic. 4. Insta360 Go-To Small Action Camera. Meet the tiny, mighty action camera. Insta360 Go-To Clip It, Wear It, Go hands-free. Your world, your view. Six-axis stabilization. And no stabilization, flow state stabilization. Dunk it, down to 13 feet. Aquavision off, Aquavision on. The world is your playground. Any angle. Any brush, any frisbee. "3x more power, with the charge case. More grip. More options. More control. Lens guard, ready for action. Shoot first, frame later. Connect, transfer, edit on the go. Or let flash cut edit for you. 5. Mornwell Water Tank Teeth Cleaner. Mornwell Water Tank Teeth Cleaner. Brand name, Mornwell. Origin, CN origin. Type, electric oral irrigator. Commodity quality certification, 3C. Commodity quality certification, CE. Age group, adults. Model number, D52 item. Type, oral irrigator. Power source, rechargeable battery. 3 working modes, normal, soft, pulse. Water tank capacity, 300 milliliters. Voltage, compatible with global voltage, 100 to 240 volts. Accessories, nozzle X3, tongue cleaning tip X1. Warranty, 12 months. Rechargeable, USB charging. Type, water flosser. Feature 1, portable oral irrigator. Feature 2, irrigator dental. Fit for birthday gift. 6. Laser unusual plasma electric lighter. Laser unusual plasma electric lighter. Origin, CN origin. Material, metal. Technics, mirror. Model number, H20057. Style, arc lighter. Size, 73 by 35 by 11 ohm. Colors, black, silver, gold, blue, rainbow. Material, Xena alloy. Style 1, electric lighter. Style 2, candle lighter. Style 3, cool lighters. Style 4, rechargeable lighter. Style 5, USB lighter. Style 6, plasma lighter. Style 7, windproof lighter. Style 8, arc lighter. Style 9, USB electronic lighter. Style 10, flameless lighter. Style 11, touch-sensitive switch. Style 12, smoking accessories. 7. Portable cigarette rolling paper machine. Portable cigarette rolling paper machine. Brand name, Hornsby. Origin, CN origin. Material, metal. Technics, lacquer. Model number, 061B. Color, black, silver. Product size, 20.5 by 15.5 by 3. 6 centimeters. About tube diameter, for 6.5 millimeters. Name, 6.5 millimeters hand cigarette rolling machine. Material, metal. Type 1, cigarette rolling machine. Type 2, men gift. Type 3, Christmas gift. 8. Floating magnetic levitation globe. Floating magnetic levitation globe. Origin, CN origin. Is smart device, yes. Is customized, no. Theme, architecture. Style, modern. Material, plastic. Home decor, home decoration accessories. Decoration, living room decoration. Figurine, room decor. Desk accessories, home living room decoration. 9. Magic Suspension Pearl Necklace Wine Rack. Magic Suspension Pearl Necklace Wine Rack. Using premium electroplated metal, will not peel off the paint, will not rust. This product is not only a wine rack but also can be used for home decoration. The warm and elegant pearls are combined with the exquisite red wine. Perfect for interior decoration, restaurants, cabinets, bars, kitchens. Suitable for those who love wine or cat lovers on birthdays, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day. Item name, wine rack. Size, 27 by 17 by 17 centimeter. Color, black/white/gold. Material, electroplated metal. Feature, eco-friendly. Applicable, wine. Quantity, 1 piece. 10. Booster Boluojun Massage Gun. Booster Boluojun Massage Gun. Brand name, Booster Boluojun. Origin, CN Origin. Certification, CE. Certification, FCC. Model number, M2B 12 volts. Size, multi-size SML. Material, composite material. Item type, massage and relaxation. Application, body. Color, black, blue. Battery, 2500 mAh. Charger, Type-C cable. Weight, 1 kilogram. Rated output, 5 volts/2A. Frequency, 900, 3200 RPM. Stroke, 10 millimeters. 11. Nordic Style Creative Fashion Timetable Calendar. Nordic Style Creative Fashion Timetable Calendar. Origin, CN Origin. Is smart device, no. Is customized, no. Theme, letters. Style, modern. Material, plastic. Color, show as the pictures. Type 1, Creative Time Calendar. Type 2, Table Calendar. Type 3, Home Decoration Calendar. The beauty of your room is incomparable and develops your personality. And it is a wonderful item to gift to someone. 12. Fifine Metal Condenser Recording Microphone. Fifine Metal Condenser Recording Microphone. Plug-and-play USB microphone that connects to your computer or laptop directly via USB port. Work with Mac and Windows Vista, XP. Recording your music or podcast effortlessly. Solid, robust design body with stable tripod stand will come in handy whenever you are making voiceovers or live streaming for YouTube. A recording microphone with dedicated gain volume knob itself. For louder output and more sensitive, your voice would be heard crispy and clean when using it in gaming, Skyping, or voice recording. The link of each product is given below the description. Thank you. We hope you enjoy your purchase. If you like my videos, subscribe and hold down the bell icon to get the next videos.